Evidently, there's some big scam that's going on.
Yeah. Oh, they use.
I no ID.
No ID?
I trust the American. 我刚来美国，没什么钱。
A man with 309 prior charges, 76 gift cards on his person, 2,260 more found in his vehicle, 6 years in prison. Every step of this arrest raises a legal question worth examining.
Okay.
They've got several Chinese people.
He's got a shit con.
Okay.
You got this, then I'll go back.
Yeah, you're okay. All
And
right.
as soon as somebody buys these and loads these, they take the money right off. This is huge.
Yeah,
Take
your hands up.
trying to
send through.
So, were those cards on him too?
Yes.
Yep. All of them. Evidently, there's some big scam that's going on.
Yeah. Oh, they use these things all the time for
Oh
that.
yeah.
You got ID?
I no ID.
No ID?
I trust the American.
You what? America, yeah, you're here.
Stealing from us.
Okay.
How many cards is that?
I don't know if these cards have been tampered yet, or I know he
So
grabbed
he's
some
put money in these while he's in the store, or he's just trying to get all these taken
He
out?
took them all to the bathroom.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
So he's having people put numbers on them and then transferring somewhere and using the card.
I introduce you.
They're getting info off of them.
Passport.
You speak
yeah.
Passport.
So we're trying to get.
You know what a passport is?
passport.
Yeah. Let me see your passport.
我是走线进来的，然后我的护照，在放入，然后我的护照，在放入边境的时候就没有带进来。
Passport was not brought in when it was.
Where are you living at?
Where's home? Where do you live? Where are you staying at?
没有住的地方。
Chestnut Street?
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You got a vehicle?
No, no money. Sorry. 我刚来美国，没什么钱。
I'll also see it.
I get that, but I really don't care. So,
These ones haven't been tampered.
how did you get here?
These ones were though, or you?
I don't know.
We don't know.
They
These are the
take
ones he
them.
just handed.
Here,
They're really
as in this
good at
Walmart.
putting things back
Yeah.
together.
So they already tampered with? So
Not
you
these
guys-
ones.
They have
These
not
ones
been?
don't look.
What they do is they go tamper them, get whatever information they need, put them back out. The customer buys it, loads it, and then they automatically get the
I mean,
funds.
he may have all that information already.
He may.
Yeah, I'm not putting these back out. I can't.
No, I know.
So
Yeah. So
是有人把我丢在这里，然后他就走了。
A couple
he hit
what?
Vienna, West Virginia.
Trespass from Walmart anyhow?
He hasn't been
Okay.
caught.
Oh.
So I'm trespassing him today. Look, they were
not
wondering
in
if
for all
you could
of
get a
your
search to
stuff
search the
that you're
car.
going
'Cause I guess
through,
once they search the car,
But you're about to go to jail.
a bunch of different people throughout his region or whatever.
我说的
And they've car.
Did you ever say how'd he get here?
Well, that's awesome.
I'm not sure why you are here, but you're about to go to jail.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
Yeah,
That's common sense.
Hey, we'll see that.
He just came out of the bathroom, right? He's past the last point of sale.
Yep. Yeah. He took it to the bathroom. He passed the registers.
Why was you in the bathroom?
What do you think of Sarge?
I mean, technically, it's theft. He walked past the last point of sale with these concealed in his coat. That's theft right there just by taking this. He's got to have ID, or guess what? I mean, he's going to jail if he don't provide.
He's in the system. I don't know what he was been caught for. It's this. I don't know how much.
He's in the Walmart system?
Illinois.
He's hitting all Walmarts throughout the state of Ohio, Illinois. He was last seen in Illinois.
And his
Right here.
and these ones are in his jacket.
No, they were
Where's
on his
MI?
pocket.
Oh,
What state's am I?
Michigan. Isn't it? Yeah.
So Michigan, he had 38 altered cards, 26 Apple, and 12 in-common Visa cards. Is your name Ming?
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 M-I-N-G-F-U-E? Is that you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it is.
Yeah.
Told you.
This ain't the first Walmart you've had problems with.
Sorry.
Picked the wrong one.
Is your last name
So,
X? I'm not showing you my phone, buddy. Is that you? Ming? Yeah. Yeah.
No, this is. Yeah.
Sir, you English no good. You.
You going to jail.
You're gonna start comprehending English real quick.
Hang on.
So,
Put your hand behind your back.
I speak, I speak.
Hang on a second here.
Please speak. 警察先生，我这是犯了什么罪吗？
He says, "Am I guilty of any crime?"
Yes.
China.
He said he didn't know that. He said they were
China.
what he told me.
That's funny because he's
yeah.
the one in the.
This one?
No. Yeah. 警察先生，你能帮我叫个翻译吗？
So I bet you if he's
Can you call an interpreter?
He has a card.
This is an interpreter.
I just say we escort them all.
警察先生，这些卡片不是没有钱吗？
Passport on him.
I don't think it's gonna matter.
These cards don't have any money. These you still have to pay for. You can't just take these.
See, he thinks he has it all figured out. That's
These are not free. And you concealed them.
Wonder where the
Your coat.
No, sir,
You didn't go past these registers?
We know he did though, right, Ricky? Because he's on camera.
they
Probably
said
going to
he
the
went to the
bathroom.
restroom.
我放口袋里是我要上厕所，我还没出去呢。
I put it in my
He
pocket
does it all.
and went to go to the bathroom. I haven't gone out yet. Doesn't matter. You went past the last point of sale. So I put it in my pocket and went to the bathroom. Right there. That's intent to steal.
Oh yeah.
警察先生，我还没过去收银台呢，我人还在这里。
I haven't been to cashier yet. Wait, we're
My people.
hold this. Hey, hang on a second here.
So my people.
Hang on a second.
Okay. I.
What?
I.
Hang on. Hang on a second. Hang on a second.
Sorry, sir.
Hang on a second.
不是，sir, you speak. Give me. I please. 然后就 you 啊。 警察先生，我走到这里，我还没过收银台，他们就过来逮我了。哦、no. Sorry, please. 好，yeah。警察先生，我刚走到这里，你们就过来找我了。
Mr. Policeman, you can to see me as soon as I got here.
Please.
Oh, yeah, okay. I think we're done.
Dip, let's go.
All right. Well, I'm going to ask him where he lives at real quick so we can try to get an idea on him.
Does he have car keys or anything? No.
Sir, please. Okay.
You going to stand there?
Okay.
Okay.
我从德州进来的。
I came in from Texas. Is that where you live?
Mexico.
Okay, my API is on the office. I'll have the full video to see if we can pull it up.
No.
Okay.
You cannot go past the register and have merchandise in your coat. That means you're not going to pay for it.
Hey, we're not gonna keep going back and forth on this.
What do you just want me to hook him for theft then for now?
I want you to hook him for an investigative hold and do the report.
Oh, okay.
I will either charge him with a misdemeanor in the morning or we'll do a felony.
This single arrest implicates 4 constitutional amendments, 3 Ohio felony statutes, and at least 2 documented procedural gaps. The law does not only ask what he did, but how the arrest was conducted. Terry v. Ohio 1968. Law enforcement may conduct an investigative detention based on reasonable articulable suspicion, not mere hunch. Observed behavior combined with Walmart database intelligence meets this standard. Illinois v. Gates 1983 sets the totality of circumstances test. 309 prior charges, observed concealment, and multi-state database confirmations establish probable cause well above the constitutional threshold. Ohio Revised Code Section 2000. 913(2) requires purpose to deprive. Ohio courts hold. Concealing merchandise past the last point of sale establishes this intent, regardless of whether the suspect exited the store. Ohio Revised Code Section 2000. 913(31) treats each tampered gift card as a separate act of counterfeiting under Ohio law. 299 individual cards, 299 independent counts, 299 separate criminal instruments. Miranda v. Arizona 1966. Formal custodial arrest triggers the obligation to advise the suspect of the right to remain silent and the right to counsel before any further questioning proceeds. In this footage, no Miranda advisement is clearly documented on camera before continued post-arrest questioning takes place. Undocumented procedure is legally equivalent to absent procedure. The 14th Amendment Due Process Clause requires interpreter services for non-English speaking suspects before rights advisements and interrogation. Late interpreter access creates grounds to challenge all prior statements. Carroll v. United States 1925 established the automobile exception, where probable cause exists that a vehicle contains contraband or evidence. A warrantless search is constitutionally permissible without a separate warrant. Lesson in evidence law. An investigative hold rather than immediate misdemeanor charging expanded the evidence base from 76 to 2,260 cards. One supervisory call converted this from a misdemeanor to a multi-count felony. Ohio Revised Code Section 2000. 923(32). Ohio equivalent of federal RICO. Requires a pattern of 2 or more related criminal acts. Multi-state scheme spanning months satisfies this standard completely. 6 years. 299 counts of counterfeiting. 1 count of pattern of corrupt activity. The sentence was handed down. The case appeared closed, but several procedural questions were never formally answered on camera. If Miranda was not documented, what becomes of every statement made after arrest? If the interpreter arrived too late, were constitutional rights meaningfully given? And if procedure fails at any point, which part of this case could still unravel?